Dear Mark, when I met you in 2011, I had no idea where life would take us. But I already knew you were something special.
Lagi siyang supportive. Lagi siyang nasa tabi ko. Lahat ng desisyon ko, lagi siyang suportahan. First meet kami sa trabaho namin sa isang real estate company way back 2011.
Tahimik lang kasi siya. Noong una ko siyang nakilala, way back 2011 pa. Actually, very mysterious. Kumbaga, siya, tahimik na tao.
Bakit ito? Wow na wow.
Lagay mo na lang to.
Pa-refill daw.
Yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya, na alam ko kasi na he has a good heart. Nakikita ko na mabuti siyang tao. Our love story has never been simple, but it has always been real. We faced challenges that have broken us, yet we always found our way back to each other. And every time, my heart chose you.
Mas malalim na understanding of love is that you are ready and willing to forgive each other. Forgiveness is a deeper expression of your love for each other. So, you protect each other by forgiving each other. You value the person. Huwag kayong mag-focus sa pagkakamali. Bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ng pagparito at makaisang dibdib si Mark na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang
Abba, Father, you complete me in ways I never knew I needed. You lead me with patience, wisdoms, and love, always guiding me in right direction. Through you, I found not just a partner, but a sense of fullness and a family I once thought I might never have.
Mahal kong asawa, sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating pamilya, pinapangako kong mamahalin ka ng tapat at ng buo. I will pray for you, walk with you, at pipiliin ka sa bawat pagsubok at tagumpay.
ikaw naman, Mark, bukal ba sa iyong kalooban ng pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Candy na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Abba, Father.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa
Thank you.
palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man nais kong
With God at the center of our marriage, ikaw ang pipiliin ko ngayon at magpakailanman.
Kung balikan man hirap, luha,
Merry
lahat
Christmas. Happy anniversary.
ikaw baborito.
First impression, tahimik na tao. Actually, matangkad kasi siya. So, yun ang parang pinaka-dream girl ko, matangkad.
Di ko pagpapalit, ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo. Sa muling palagi.
You are my home, my strength, and my peace. Your good heart, your kindness, and your sacrifices remind me every day of the man I am blessed to love. Thank you for being such a loving father to our three beautiful children, Kendra, Chloe, and Kanjel. Watching you love and care for our family makes me fall in love with you even more.
Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, nagtatangi kong dalangin kung sa huling
Today, before God and our loved ones, I promise to keep choosing you through joy and pain, laughter and tears. I promise to love you with honesty, faith, and all that I am. Mark Alvin, you are my husband, the love of my life, and my forever. Love you so much.
Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo.